Instincts are very difficult to teach. Hi, my name is John. Welcome to Minute with Maxwell. When I wrote the 21 Irrefutable Laws of Leadership, there were two of those 21 laws that were very difficult for me to teach and help people with. The law of intuition, which is something in the area of instincts, and the law of timing. And the reason those two were very difficult was because you have to almost be naturally gifted in leadership to have that intuition, timing, those instincts. I was talking to a very successful leader recently, and she was sharing with me that how she allows instincts many times to help her to be successful in her business, and she's highly successful. And basically what she said was this: if you've had a lot of good experiences and you've had a lot of good wins under your belt, there are times when you almost instinctively know what's going to happen and what you need to do. And she said, I have followed she said, gut a long time. And I have found that it's not always right, but it's right a lot of times. And it's certainly as right, at least by thinking through a project. So what's the value of an instinct? Very simple. It gets you started a little quicker than others. While others are trying to process and think it through, the instinct says, there it is, go get it. It gives you that I got started first advantage, which is the advantage in winning most of the races in life. Thanks for joining me today on Minute with Maxwell.